Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name's Claire. I've got another advent calendar to share with you, and it is 12 Days of Indulgence, and this is by Revolution Beauty, and it's a body mask advent calendar, so something a little different. It costs £25, and they also have a 12-day of sheet masks as well. I'll link both of them down below, as well as a Game of Thrones Revolution advent calendar and one of their beauty advent calendars. I think they're releasing them slowly. You can get them on different websites, so if I can search them out on different websites, then I'll pop all the Revolution Beauty ones down below in my description, as well as a giveaway. I have a giveaway running on Instagram at the moment to win a Yankee Candle big advent calendar, so you'll find that down there, as well as links and discount codes and things. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. I wanted to bring in a few more affordable advent calendars, so if there's any particular calendar that you'd like me to unbox, then please let me know down below. I worked out that there was a little flap here that you have to rip off. You can see the boxes there, so you just pull one out day by day, and even with nails it's a bit difficult, but it's fine. So day number one, we've got a pomegranate peel off mask. This is conditioning, and it's all vegan and cruelty free. Maybe it'll give me more information on the back. So is it one of these sticky ones that I used to do when I was young, really young? I used to steal my mum's. She used to get them from Avon, like a cucumber one, I remember. It's like a gel that you apply to your face, let it dry, and then you peel it off, and it's so satisfying. It's just like skin, peeling off layers and layers of this gunky skin-like stuff. So yeah, peel off mask, that is all that it says about it here. Yeah, this is going to be a quick unboxing. But anyway, I'm assuming that everything that is featured in this advent calendar can be purchased off the Revolution Beauty website. So if you want to learn a little bit more about the products individually, then yeah, head to the website. But yeah, we've got a pomegranate, I bet it smells gorgeous, a peel off mask there. Day number two. We've got a gorgeous headband, super soft. Yeah, really nice colour. Yeah, that was lovely. Perfect for a mask time treat. So that's day number two. Day number three, we've got a mask spatula. So saves using your hands, which works just as well, but it can be quite messy getting it stuck in your nails and things, or using a brush, which you have to, wash thoroughly afterwards, because as with most masks, they dry down, are a bit of a nightmare to wash off. So yeah, so this is a silicone one, so you just apply it on your face like that, easy to rinse. Yeah, I really like that we got that in the advent calendar. Day number four. Yeah. All the others want to come out. We've got another peel off mask. This is vitamin C peel off mask, and again it just says conditioning. If you've tried any of these peel off masks, please let me know what you think of them, what they are like, because I haven't tried them. But yeah, vitamin C, so nice and brightening. And yeah, that is it. Can't tell you anything else. Day number five. Oh, we got a cream mask this time. This is aloe vera, and it's soothing. Oh, I bet that is wonderful. All of these masks can be put in to a fridge. I share a little skincare fridge with my daughter. It was in our hallway, but now it's in her bedroom, and keep on forgetting to go in there to get my skincare. A nice creamy mask for soothing. That does sound nice, actually. Okay, day number six, halfway through the advent calendar. And we've got a Jojoba hair mask, nourishing. I wish it had more information so I can tell you. Nourishing, you'd imagine, for all hair types, but more so if you're on the dry end, maybe, possibly. I don't know. So there's that. Day number seven, down here, we've got another hair mask, and this is Shea this time, and this is for conditioning. So we've had a nourishing, and then a conditioning. There's that. Day number eight. And we've got a sheet mask for the face, and this is biodegradable, contains one mask, and it's nourishing. This is an olive sheet mask, and it's got more information on the back here, which is good. Apply sheet mask, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, rub in serum residue, and you're good to go. But yeah, an olive sheet mask there. Day number 9. And we've got a ginseng sheet mask. This is moisturising. One of the main reasons I went for this advent calendar as opposed to, say, Beauty Pro, which I have unboxed last year. We have a lot of Beauty Pro sheet masks in beauty boxes, monthly subscriptions and things. But yeah, I don't think I've ever tried any of the Revolution masks before. Never have done. So that was another tick when I was deciding whether I should go for this advent calendar or not. But yeah, got a ginseng sheet mask there. Day number 10, and we've got a peach sheet mask. What's peach do? Refreshing. I bet it smells amazing. Yeah. And it just says exactly the same on the back there on how to use. So a peach sheet mask. Okay. Day number 11. Ooh. We've got a carrot. We're going through all the fruit and veg. We've got a carrot sheet mask for cooling. Now, I would have loved it if it was cucumber. I love the smell of cucumber, but it doesn't matter. Carrot's fine. But yeah, so a cooling sheet mask there. Day number 12. Feels like there's more in here, or maybe not. No, it's just a big one. This is a heel mask, and this is with shea butter, and it's moisturising. So yeah, something for your feet there. So I'm assuming they're little booties that you will put on. Normally they are. So yeah, that's quite nice. That was 12 Days of Indulgence by Revolution Beauty, and it's a whole body mask advent calendar. Looking on the floor with all the boxes and everything, we have got 3 sheet masks, we've got 1 heel mask, we've got 2 peel off masks, we've got 2 hair masks, we've got a mask spatula, and we've got a hairband. Is there anything else? I don't think there is anything else. Well, me personally, I haven't tried any of these before, so they're all new to me. What I would say though is that I was hoping that we'd get a hand mask, you know, either a full hand mask, or you can get little cuticle masks, little cuticle tips. Have you seen those? They're really cute. So I was expecting that. Sometimes we have also seen body masks, like mask for your boobies, a mask for your bottom. So it would have been nice to have more of a variation, maybe instead of one of the sheet masks, having a hand mask instead. But yeah, overall I think for £25, I think it's a really nice advent calendar. If you're looking for an affordable, pampering advent calendar, the actual design of the box is gorgeous. Pulling out a box, whether you would do it at the start of the month, I don't know, what would you do? Me personally, if I was keeping this for December, I would start on the 12 days leading up to Christmas. So then I'd have my last one on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve, which most of them end, don't they? So I'm glad I got it, but it's not a wow advent calendar. But then I'm not paying £100 for it either. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you ordered one yourself, or have you gone for the sheet mask one? Or are you thinking, shall I, shan't I? Or are you thinking, nah, that is a load of rubbish? Please comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.